Hi guys! Kamusta? Welcome back to Pinay Angel Tarot. So this is your Tadhana reading for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for November 2020. Okay. For your overall energy, you got the King of Cups. Wow, there's deep love here. Okay, so there's definitely happiness dito sa love connection mo na to, Sagittarius. Okay, and you may be dealing with water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Okay, sa nakikita ko itong love na to, mature na tong kind of love na to, and I can see na tahimik ka lang about sa love na to, and medyo may konting fear. Okay, mamaya i-clarify natin to. Okay. For your recent past, you got the Empress, wow, the Ten of Swords, and the Three of Wands. So, there is definitely so much attraction dito sa connection na to. Kasi, tingin ng person mo sa'yo, isa kang Empress, okay? You are beautiful, you have everything, okay? And, marami ding nag-admire sa'yo. There is abundance in your life and there's a good future para sa'yo. Okay? Pero may struggle ka dito. May cycle na nag-end dito sa recent past mo and you're waiting for your person to do something. Okay? Or to take an action para sa love connection nyo. Okay? Nakita ko medyo may struggle ka dito pero andun yung relief na parang feeling mo parang sa wakas natapos na din yung struggle mo dito. Okay? Kasi may ending dito with this Ten of Swords. And after ng ending, may bagong beginning. Okay? Pero you're still waiting. You're waiting na mag-effort yung person mo. Mamaya i-clarify natin to. Okay? For your current energies, wow, you got the Sun card, the Hierophant, and the Two of Pentacles. So there's a lot of happiness here and wow, may baby. Oh. So I feel like for some of you, there may be children involved. So, maybe magkakaroon kayo ng baby, okay? Or, maybe, yeah, I can feel the love dito. For those naman na wala pang anak, nafe-feel ko yung love dito. And I can see na may miss ka ng person mo, okay? There's so much passion here and very deep ng connection na to kasi andito yung the Hierophant. So, this is a spiritual connection and you may be dealing with Leo or Taurus, okay? Meron din dito earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But anyway, this can be any sign naman, okay? Ayan, there's so much passion, there's deep emotions involved. And you're juggling. So nakikita ko kahit andun yung love, pero busy ka din sa trabaho mo or sa career mo. Okay, mamaya i-clarify natin to. For the near future, you got the Five of Swords, the Lovers, and the Queen of Swords. Wow! So, grabe ang struggle mo dito sa near future. Kasi Five of Swords, there is an argument. And feeling mo parang talo ka sa argument na to. Okay? Pero the good thing is, there is love here. Okay? With the Lover's card. For some naman, may choice kayo na kailangan gawin. Okay? So, I can see someone na very cold ang treatment sa'yo. Kasi may Queen of Swords. Okay? So, yeah, maaring dahil dito sa argument na to, nagsastruggle kayo ng person mo, okay? Kasi itong Queen of Swords, this is someone who cut you off, okay? Or, kasi sa near future to mangyayari eh. So, yan yung possible na mangyayari. Someone will cut you off. Or, roles can be reversed. So, maaring ikaw yung gagawa nun. Okay, ika-cut off mo yung person mo, okay? Pero, I can see na andun pa rin yung love. Kahit na may struggle dito, kahit may arguments or disagreements. Kasi yung overall energy din natin is King of Cups. So, there's deep love, okay? For some naman, may nakikita kong choice na kailangan yung gawin. Kasi itong the Lover's card is also about making a choice, okay? And ang dami ko nakikitang air sign dito. This is also Gemini energy. Tapos ito naman, This can be Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Okay? Mamaya i-clarify natin to. So, i-clarify muna natin yung overall energy. Wow. You get the Page of Swords, the Emperor, and the Three of Swords in reverse. So there is stalking here. Nakikita ko ulit yung air sign energy, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Meron din ditong Aries energy with the Emperor. So nakikita ko na very confident ka dito sa love connection na to. And it seems na may something sa relasyon nyo na nasasaktan ka. Okay? I can see na there is stalking na nangyayari. Okay? Or someone is asking about you, okay, or nagre-research tungkol sa'yo, or stalking, okay, and yung stalking na yun, very confident itong person na to, parang nagtatanong siya kung, parang, this person is demanding for an answer, okay, yeah, hindi ko alam kung ano exactly itong nangyayari dito, pero I can see naman na ginagawa niya yun, because of love, okay? Kasi we have the King of Cups as your overall energy. So, andun yung takot, pero very confident din itong person na to, okay? So, maaring ikaw ito, Sagittarius, although roles may be reversed, okay? Pero maaring ikaw ito na nagre-research ka kasi may something sa situation nyo na nasasaktan ka with this Three of Swords in reverse, okay? Pero I feel like ma-overcome mo to, okay? Kasi since naka-reverse siya, so yeah, opposite na ito, okay? So I can see na ma-overcome mo din itong pain na to, okay? So i-clarify natin yung recent past. You get the Ten of Swords, the Ace of Wands, and the Temperance card. Wow! Okay, so, nakikita ko ulit dito yung cycle na nag-end sa recent past mo. Okay, so, yeah, ang dami mong pinagdaanan dito in terms of sa pag-iisip mo. Okay, ang dami mong iniisip sa past mo. And then, dumating ka din sa point na nag-end na din yung struggle mo na yon. And, may chance ka for a new beginning in terms of passion. Okay, something ito na gustong-gusto mo. Kasi once is about passion. Okay, which is fire sign energy. So, yeah, masayang-masaya ka dito sa nakikita ko. And you are in your power kasi we got the Temperance card. This is Sagittarius energy. Okay? So, tinatry mo maging patient sa situation mo. There is excitement. There is something na bago para sa'yo. There is expansion and growth. And there is love, okay? Kasi we get the Empress card here, okay? You get the Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. So, may risk na kailangan mong gawin dito. And medyo strict ka dito at very logical ka dito. Kasi you get the Queen of Swords. And itong risk na kailangan mong gawin, maganda naman yung outcome sa'yo kasi we got abundance here with the Ten of Pentacles and stability. Okay, so yeah, I can see na may reward din yung struggle mo. Okay, and I can see na for some of you, this is about career or business. Okay, although for some, love to. Okay, and yun, nakikita ko dito na nagdadala ng stability sa buhay mo. Itong cycle na to na nag-end. Itong struggles mo dito. Okay? And kailangan mo gamitin yung utak mo. Okay? Yeah. That's nice. You got the Chariot, the Devil, and the Four of Wands. Wow! So, there is fast-moving energy and determination para magkaroon ng stable commitment sa recent past mo. Okay? So, naghihintay ka, pero nag-effort ka para ma-achieve mo itong hinihintay mo dito. Okay? Kasi, from 3 of Wands, naging 4 of Wands yung outcome niya. Okay? So, may results talaga yung effort mo. Okay? Ayan. And, nakikita ko na nahirapan ka dito with the Chariot energy and the Devil. So, medyo mabigat siya. Mahirap siya sa'yo. Pero, andun yung determination mo. Hindi ka tumigil hanggang sa dumating yung time na na-achieve mo din itong stability. Okay? For some of you, I can see there is wedding or marriage. Okay? Or kung hindi naman kayo talaga ikinasal, it feels like married na kayo sa person na yon. Okay? So, you may be dealing with Cancer or Capricorn. So, i-clarify natin yung current energies. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Grabe. Okay. Na-amaze ako kasi yung energies na lumalabas sa reading na to is the same lang din. Paulit-ulit lang siya. Okay. So, yeah, it shows kung ano talaga yung pinagdadaanan nyo. Okay. So, you got here the 3 of Wands, the Hierophant, and the 5 of Cups. So, you're waiting for something and may love dito na very deep. Okay. And nagdadala talaga ng happiness sa'yo. So, may something na hindi mo na-achieve na gusto mo sana. Okay? So, this can be a missed opportunity na makasama mo itong person na to. Pero, everything is still okay. Kasi we got the Sun card. So, masaya pa rin. Nangingibabaw pa rin yung positivity. Okay? So, lumabas ulit yung Hierophant. So, nakikita ko very deep talaga ng connection na to. Okay? And I can also see marriage for many of you. Okay? Kasi we got a lot of happiness here. Tapos, kanina may 4 of Wands, may 10 of Pentacles. There's a lot of happiness and stability. Okay? You got the 2 of Swords, the Magician, and the 6 of Pentacles. So, you're trying to decide about something dito. And, ready ka. Okay? Para sa magiging decision mo. Okay? You have all the tools. Kaya mong ma-achieve kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve with this Magician energy. Okay? Kasi yung Magician, nasa sa kanya na lahat Okay? Meron siyang Swords, Cups, Wands, and Pentacles. Ibig sabihin, may passion, may love, may intellect, may stability. Okay? So, ang ganda ng energy mo dito, Sagittarius. Okay? And sa nakikita ko, give and take yung relationship nyo ng person nyo. So, may balance dito. Kahit sa pag-iisip, may balance din. Okay? Ginagamit mo din yung intuition mo. Okay? Although, for some of you, medyo nahihirapan kayong mag-decide about something sa relationship nyo. Pero, definitely, there is deep love dito. Kasi andito yung the Hierophant energy. Okay? So, this is a very spiritual relationship. Sa nakikita ko for many of you, this is a soulmate connection. Okay? You got the 5 of Wands, the 10 of Swords, and the 4 of Swords. Wow, andito na naman yung 10 of Swords. So, this is about ending a cycle. Okay? And 2 of Pentacles. So, this is about balance. Okay? Pero may conflict dito And I can see fire sign. A lot of fire here. At ang daming energies dito. So, yeah. Maaari ang family nyo or yeah, ang daming taong involved dito. Kaya nabibigatan ka. Okay? And you are juggling here. So, struggle to sa'yo. Pero, yung outcome nito is dumating ka din sa point na pinapahinga mo na yung isip mo, okay? Hindi lang yung isip, pero also yung puso mo with this Four of Swords. So, you're trying to regain your energy, okay? Tinatry mo ulit na ibalik ulit yung energy mo, okay? Pero, gusto mong mapag-isa sa ngayon, okay? Okay. So, i-clarify natin yung near future. Wow. So intense. So you got the King of Cups, the Seven of Swords, and the Justice card. So andun yung takot sa'yo. Mahal mo itong person na to. Very deep ng feelings mo sa kanya. Okay? Like I said kanina, I feel like this is a soulmate connection, okay? Kasi very deep ng love dito. And itong King of Cups, ito din yung overall energy natin, okay? So there is so much love and there is maturity sa connection na to. And medyo may fear, okay? Pero, yun, there is so much love and then, actually, sa nakikita ko dito, nagsastruggle ka eh. You're trying to fix this situation dahil mahal mo siya. Okay? Kasi may conflict dito, 'di ba, with this Five of Swords. Pero the way na i-deal mo yung conflict or yung argument, kasi Swords is about pag-iisip, 'di ba? So argument ito. So the way na i-deal mo yung argument is by gamit mo yung puso mo, okay? So medyo tinatry mo i-manipulate yung situation kasi andito yung Seven of Swords eh. So, hindi naman sa binibetray mo yung person mo, pero gumagawa ka ng paraan para magkaroon ulit ng balance with this Justice card here. Okay? And sa nakikita ko, successful yung ginagawa mo kasi lumabas yung Justice card dito. Okay? And I can see your maturity. Okay? You get the Two of Cups, the Strength card, and the Four of Cups. Wow. So, you may be dealing with Leo and also ang daming water signs, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Marami din air signs, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Okay? So, grabe. There is so much love. As you can see, may Lover's card and then Two of Cups. Okay? So, you are very connected with this person. Okay? I can see na soulmate kayo ng person na to. Or, for some of you, maaring twin flame. Okay? So, yeah, there is so much love and there is action, there is passion. Very excited ka sa near future mo kasi andito yung Strength card. So, whatever it is na nagiging struggle sa love connection nyo, kayang-kaya mo and may happiness dito. Okay? Kasi sa current mo, may Sun card din eh. So, there is so much happiness and love and joy. Okay? So, dito naman sa near future, you got the Strength card and may balance sa emotions, okay? Kasi you got the Four of Cups, okay? Kaya lang, sa nakita ko naman dito, nasa point ka naman ngayon na parang you want something more, okay? Alam mo na there is more love na pwedeng ibigay ng person mo sa'yo, okay? So, siguro take it easy na lang kasi nakikita ko naman na maganda yung relationship nyo eh. Kasi may Lover's card and then may Two of Cups. And my Strength card, okay? Pero sometimes, minsan, feeling mo, you deserve something more, okay? So, siguro just take it easy on yourself, okay? Kasi, yeah, like I said, there's so much love, diba? You got the Seven of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Knight of Cups. Wow! So, this is you, Sagittarius. Ginagawa mo lahat ng pwede mong gawin. Medyo, minsan, sorry guys, pero yan yung word na pumasok sa mind ko, okay? So, medyo over minsan yung mga effort mo, okay? Kasi ikaw lang din nahihirapan eh, okay? So, yan yung nakikita ko na gustong sabihin sa'yo ng universe, okay? Na minsan, Huwag mo masyadong i-control, okay? Kasi nabibigatan ka din eh, okay? Pero maganda naman yung intention mo kasi yung intention mo is to give love and to make your person happy kasi andito yung Knight of Cups. Okay? Kaya lang, yun nga, sabi ko medyo over kasi andito din yung Queen of Swords. So, minsan nagiging malamig ka din eh. Kasi may mga gusto ka na, may mga demand ka or may mga gusto ka para sa love connection mo, okay? Pure naman yung intention mo sa nakikita ko, kaya lang minsan nakakasakit siya eh, okay? And I feel like hindi ka aware na ganun yung nangyayari, okay, Sagittarius? Yeah, minsan hindi ka aware, okay? So, just take it easy, okay? And, yeah, kailangan aware ka din sa nararamdaman ng person mo, okay? Although, I can see so much love, I can see good intentions on your part. Okay, so I'll get you some cards from the universe and advice. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh. Nilipad talaga yung cards ha. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'll get you muna some cards from the romance angels. Wow, chemistry. There's a strong magnetic attraction here. Okay, so yeah, there's so much attraction sa connection na to. Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. Okay, so yeah, minsan sumusuko ka na, okay, kasi feeling mo yung mga effort mo, eh, hindi mo na kukuha yung gusto mo sa mga effort na binibigay mo. So, ang message para sa'yo is, bigyan mo ng chance yung relationship and you work out mo yung partnership nyo ng person mo. Okay? Worth waiting for, divine timing is at work in your love life. Ayan, so, there is a right timing or divine timing para sa inyo ng person mo. Okay? So, just be patient, okay? Actually, patient naman talaga ang Sagittarius eh. Okay, this is just a reminder, okay? Engagement. Wow, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Wow, nakikita ko nga yan dito na very deep ng commitment ng relationship dito, okay? It's safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Ayan, so, yeah, wag kang matakot. Buksan mo yung puso mo para magbigay ng love and also, i-appreciate mo yung love na binibigay sa'yo. I-receive mo yon, okay? Last one. Unrequited love, there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Okay, so, nafe-feel ko din to sa reading na to. Okay, na for some of you, sumusuko na kayo. Okay, for some naman, hindi pa time to para sumuko. Okay, pero for some of you, magre-resonate itong message na to. Okay, so take it how it resonates para sa'yo. Okay? Okay, so wala ako ng advice. Okay, so unahin natin yung cards from the universe. You got the Six of Swords, the Queen of Cups, and the Five of Wands. So, tinatry mong maging positive and lumabas na naman dito yung hopes and dreams mo with this Queen of Cups. And nakikita ko ulit yung love dito na very deep. Okay? Wow. So, although merong conflict dito, pero the way na i-resolve mo yung conflict na to is ginagamit mo yung love or yung emotions mo, which is very positive, diba? Yeah, and so nakikita ko, tinatry mo talagang maayos itong love connection na to kasi yung first card natin dito is Six of Swords. So, iniiwasan mo na yung mga negative thinking na ginagawa mo dati sa past mo. So, mas nagiging positive ka na ngayon. Okay? And, there's so much love. Okay? So, ang advice sa'yo, Spider, community and web weaving. Ayan, so kailangan mo yung community, kailangan mo yung friends mo, yung family mo, or yung ibang connection mo to help you with your situation. Okay, so hindi mo kaya yan ng mag-isa. Kailangan mo ng support. Okay? Sacred space, create an altar or visit a power place to connect with the divine. Ayan, so kailangan mo ng sacred na space para makapag-pray ka, para makapag-meditate ka. Okay? Para i-ready mo yung self mo sa kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo para makapag-pray ka. Okay? And also, para magkaroon ka ng healing sa self mo. Okay? Vacuum away fear. Call upon Archangels Michael and Raphael to lift fear-based energy from you, your surroundings, this situation, and everyone involved. Ayan, so ipag-pray mo yan na tanggalin yung fear sa'yo, okay? Sa paligid mo at sa situation mo at sa lahat ng tao na involved, okay? Kasi yung fear na yan, nagkaka-cause ng blockage yan na, nagkaka-cause ng sa heart mo. So, pag tinanggal mo yung fear na yan, mas magiging open yung heart mo para magbigay ng love at para mag-receive ng love. Okay, so definitely mas magiging masaya ka pag wala yung energy na yan. Okay? And syempre isipin mo yung positive na energy palagi. Okay? And lastly, Tiger's Eye, self-confidence through God confidence. Wow! So, ang daming message about prayer dito para sa'yo. Sagittarius. Okay, so sabi dito, believe in yourself by believing in God working through you. So, maniwala ka na God is working through you at magbibigay sa'yo yan ng confidence sa sarili mo. Okay? Kasi, kung alam mo na tinutulungan ka ni God, ginagawa ni God lahat para sa'yo in your favor, mas nagiging confident ka para magkaroon ka ng focus at para ma-achieve mo kung ano yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay mo, yung dreams mo. Okay? Alright, so that's what I got for you, Sagittarius, for your November 2020 Tadhana reading. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell para may notification kayo every time may reading sa channel ko. Okay? Thank you again so much for watching. Ingat po kayo and have a good day. Bye!